success books, not following self-help books, not buying charlatans' ways of how to succeed. Just going.
Going. Your answer? Do you have an answer to that?
Studying and systematically. I mean, you should prepare timetables, schedules for yourself.
Right.
Disciplined and motivated.
To be, all right. You?
Time management?
Time management.
Very good.
Okay, good.
I think setting expectations is very important.
Which one is important?
Setting expectations.
Setting your expectations, your
Formula,
goals.
yeah.
Expectations. Very good. All right. This group, pick a question and a group. Ask.
Do you think success breeds success?
Yes. Do you think success breeds success?
Yeah.
Yes. Can we talk about it? Can we think critically? How and why?
Well, for one thing, it opens more opportunities. When you're successful, you'll have more opportunities to do other things.
And it gives you self-confidence as
It
well.
gives you self-confidence.
Feels relaxed.
It gives you connections.
Good connections, very good.
Yeah.
Thank you. And this group, pick your question, please.
What's the best way to stop smoking?
Somebody
And, see, Turks really love smoking. You could.
Maybe you just have a non-smoker friend.
True. That helps a lot.
Where's none of my friends smoke though. That's what I do. So I have a few friends. Okay. Most of them do smoke. And
I'm just going out for a smoke.
yeah, this is almost the end of the activity. Actually, let's talk about how we can adopt this. If you like to say right now, I would like to listen to it. I would like. Okay, let me ask you a few questions before I ask that. And what level can we use this activity first without adapting? Where can we use this? In what level? What age group? Can you answer the question?
How can you do that?
For
I think
kids.
it's adaptable to intermediate as well.
Without adaptation, I'm talking. Okay. Which groups can you adapt this to? Can you adapt this to any age groups or levels?
At least teenagers.
At least teenagers. And what are,
Adults.
yeah, how can we improve this activity? What do you think? How can we improve this activity? What do you think?
Well, for one thing, I think we could reduce the amount of explanations.
Mm-hmm.
Put more elicitation in it, or just demonstration.
This demonstration?
Yeah, I mean, if you wouldn't talk that much, it would probably be more smooth or better.
Okay, who thinks that? Because I have done this before, and I always care about what people write and say, and I didn't change anything about this, about the things that they criticize, because I just wanted to use it somewhere else too, because I know why I was doing this activity. I had a lot of ideas about it. I just want to ask yours. Do you think the words in the list, I mean the words here in the list, is a lot or normal or good enough? What do you think, or does it make it more? Does this make the activity more difficult or more useful? Much easier? What do you think? Or anything else?
They're very useful, I think.
Not having that many words I'm talking about for this activity. Do you think as a teacher, if I'm doing this with upper or advanced students who are capable of doing this activity, not like you guys, but they're good enough, do you think I should do this with them? Or do you think I should just reduce the amount of words?
I think they're fine.
Well, I think it was really good.
Thank you.
But probably for higher levels, you could delete some of them.
Of
and
course.
let the students come up with them. Well, I mean, taking care that they do come up.
Or I can just reduce them and just give different words to each group.
Yes, exactly.
That's what I was thinking about. I mean, after watching myself on this computer, I thought about it too. So, what do you think about the mistakes? What do you think I have done about the mistakes? There weren't many mistakes here because you're all teachers and you didn't pretend you're students. But if you made mistakes or if you had made some mistakes, what did I do or what would have I done if you had made a mistake?
For example, our group couldn't prepare a speech for one of the activities, and you said you will have another job then.
Good. All right. And we're recording this. Follow as a follow activity. Next next hour, although we're not going to do it, I think that we're going to do it next hour because Meltem is teaching. If I were supposed to teach next hour, I was going to show you your mistakes, good points, or things that you should, parts that you should improve, or I should improve, you know. We're going to talk about those kind of things. This is one of the follow-up activities. Second follow-up activity is this. I'm giving you this as homework. You answer these questions using or not using any of these words. You're free, but please paraphrase these questions with your own words. And another one for next week. You're responsible for these, but I didn't have time to attach them one another. Can you help me out, Melton? A second shadow. Okay. 2 or 3 pages for each person. There are more words now in this one. And you are supposed to use almost all of these words while answering these questions. And, of course, your own words as well, to be more natural. Sure.
We did all of these activities as a group. And one of them we prepared a speech and the other one was writing. So, how can you do one of these as individuals? Because normally in a group, some people do the job and the others with students.
You're absolutely right. Since you were the teachers, that's why I wanted to do it like that. With my groups, I did this activity with in Irem's class. We did it like that. Everybody had a job. But since you were the teachers, I was hoping that you would just stick to the rules and be more responsible, which you were.
Okay, I'd like to thank Izzet very much for his presentation. So can we give him a good clap? We're going to have a short break before Meltem's